Another very important Git concept is branching. Branching is the practice of creating version copies of the software project in order to work in parallel versions. Branching means that you diverge from the main line of development and continue to do work without messing with the main line. Here in this figure, our main line is the master branch, and as you see each developer has created a new branch while developing new stuff, while making new changes. For example, this developer created a new branch and he fixed some bug. And another developer created here a new branch and he added a new feature to the existing application. And each of these branches have been merged to the main line. In this way, the main line or the master branch is not interfered. For example, at the end of this figure, two developers are working concurrently and the main line or the master branch is not interfered. So why do we need branching? For example, we might need to refactor the code, or we might need to add some new features to the existing application, or we might need to fix some bugs in the app. In this case, if the changes that we are going to do are not safe enough, and if they interfere the main line or the master branch, in this case, we need to have a new branch. In order to understand the concept of merging better, I have plotted an undesired scenario case here in this slide. Assume that we have two developers. One of them is the green developer and the other one is the orange developer. The green developer is developing the application on the master branch and the orange developer is developing the application on the feature branch. At the beginning, the green developer starts to make some commits. The first commit, the second commit, and the third commit. And in the third commit, there is a code snippet that crashes the application. And this commit is buggy. But the green developer does not recognize this buggy code snippet, and then he's maintaining the development procedure and he's making the fourth commit. But the orange developer needs to add a new feature and he opens a new branch at the third commit. And the error or the buggy code restricts the orange developer to create a new feature. The orange developer recognizes this buggy code and then tells the green developer, look, you have done a buggy commit here and I cannot develop the new feature because of this crashing code. You need to fix the change. And the green developer, what he is doing is he is making a bug fix in the fifth commit. But this bug could be a very hard bug to resolve and it may take, for example, 5 days. And during this 5 days, the orange developer will not be able to make any commits because the buggy code restricts the orange developer to make some new changes. In this case, the orange developer needs to wait until the bug fix is resolved and then he needs to merge the bug fix changes into its own branch in order to resolve the error. After this point, the orange developer will be able to develop the new feature. This scenario would not be encountered if the green developer would create a new branch at the beginning and develop the application in its own branch. But in this scenario, the master branch or the main line is interfered and an undesired scenario is encountered where the orange developer needs to wait for 5 days until the bug fix is done. In the next video, we will go into local repository Git commands. I will see you in the next video.